Hey guys, what's up? It is Patrick Hammet here, and today I'd like to talk to you guys about the Robinhood app. And I've always been scared of investing. I'm 23, and I've always heard, start investing when you're young. By the time you're 30, you're done and out of the game, and you're retired and all that stuff. But I never really considered it before, and I was like, man, I don't think that's for me. I'm a computer science major. I'll be just fine in tech. And so, I didn't invest. But, I've always been scared of investing until this year, when I found out about this app called Robinhood, and I think it's really good. Basically, what Robinhood is a brokerage that doesn't charge you any fee whatsoever for trading. And if you want to learn more in depth about how Robinhood does its transactions and how you put money into it, I'll make another video for that. But for this particular video, I just want to talk to you about why you should start getting in right now, and hopefully this video will help you. And so my advice is for you to start investing as soon as possible. I mean, if you're young, if you're like, I don't know, 15, 18, 20, 23, I'd say start investing. I wish I had started when I was like 15. Like I just spent most of my time in high school playing video games and studying and hanging out with friends. That's about it. But not a lot of people really worked. At least I didn't really work when I was younger, and I kind of regret it now. But I think that most people out there, for you, I think if you're in that age bracket, definitely start working and start trying to put some money into investing, because you can definitely do that at your age. And why should you do it now than sooner? I think that if you start now, there's a consensus, or just stats that tell you that the stock market grows every 10%. It grows 10% every year. So you could be making 10% gains of what you put in. And heck, if you know a valuable company and you put money into it, you may explode. And so what Robinhood offers is that you can put money in with very, I wouldn't say minimal risk, but I would say they help you. They understand that the average consumer cannot put in money in typical brokerage accounts that charge fees. And so they understand that, and what they're trying to do is to help everybody, regardless of income, to start investing. And so I think that anybody should do it, and that you should start now. I'll be making more videos about a little bit more about what Robinhood has to offer, and I'll just make some general videos. This is my first video, and so if you'd like to see what I have in store, I'll be upgrading my camera equipment, microphone soon. I just decided to start with this because gotta start small somehow. And I just wanted to give you guys that. I've been trading on Robinhood the last week, and I started off with 1K, and I'm not afraid to show you guys my financials, at least for now, just so that I can show you guys that this app seems to be working so far, and I believe I'm making the right decisions. I mean, I could be wrong tomorrow. Maybe I could lose my profits tomorrow, but anyways. So over the last week, I've invested 1K, and I've gone up, I'd say a little bit over 3%. So I've made $40-something back. I'll check that later. And it's because I love video gaming. I grew up with it, and I started investing in gaming stocks because I figured a lot of great games are coming out this year, and why not? And over the last week, we've seen great things happening in that sector, and I've gotten a gain. So we'll see how it plays out. But I'm not telling you invest in gaming. I'm just going to tell you, quickly that invest in what you like. And I think if you understand a particular market, it doesn't have to be gaming. I mean, if you don't know anything about gaming, then why even bother? But I think in particular, if you know about something, then jump in. And that, just having that in mind will help you, help you find stocks that are relevant and mean a lot to you, and that could help you out in the long run. Now, I'm saying this now. I could lose my profits tomorrow, and I understand that, but it's a week, and I'm here to tell you that yes, I've made something with Robinhood, and that it's not scamming me. It's totally legit. It's a growing business. They're releasing Robinhood cryptocurrency soon, and I hope to see them, find more ways of setting people up for success. And I'll leave it at that. Make sure you guys comment down below if you have any questions, anything that you would like to see from me, and talk about specifically for Robinhood, or just gaming in general, or any other life advice or anything like that. I will be making more videos, like I said, and I will be trying to upgrade my setup, but I figured let's just start small for now. So make sure you click like and subscribe for more, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Thank you.